In this video, we'll have a look at how to install the accessory folding table extensions on your DeWalt Planer DW735. For tools, it's very minimal. We just need a 10mm wrench and a 4mm Allen key. Now the hardware that comes with the kit will have 4 of each of these. A stepped Allen bolt, the nut for it, a spring, and an Allen screw. First, put your planer on a table surface that will allow a slight overhang. We need to get in underneath in this area. You only need 1 inch or 2, but you just want to make sure that the balance is such that your planer is not going to fall, so make sure that it's secure. Next, we'll take the stepped Allen bolt, the spring, and the nut. We'll put the spring onto the Allen bolt. We take our extension table and line up the hole on the top with this top hole on our planer. And we push the Allen bolt with the spring on it inside. And at this stage, just to hold things in place, I like to take this Allen screw and thread it in that bottom hole. Not going to tighten it just yet, just finger tight. That'll just hold it in place while we're working on it. Now, looking at this from underneath, this is where we put our stepped Allen bolt here with the spring. We're just going to take that nut and put it where that bolt comes through right here and tighten it up with the Allen key. So I've got my nut fitted on underneath. Kind of have to go by feel. Before threading it, it helps to actually turn the bolt counterclockwise to line up the threads. Get my 10mm wrench underneath. Tighten it up with my 4mm Allen key. And then I can finger tighten and then use the 4mm Allen key to tighten up this stopping screw. That's what keeps the table in place. Now it's just the same thing on the other side. Stepped bolt, the spring on it, line it up through the hole, nut from the underneath, my little stopper screw, this bottom hole. Now to tighten the nut and the stepped Allen bolt. And then this stopper screw. So that's one side done. Next, just follow the same procedure for the second side. That's all there is to it. Now we have our extension tables installed.